My name's Dr. Kyle Hunt, and I'm a dentist here at Personal Care Dentistry, and we serve our patients here in the Northeast Metro. Obviously, growing up, having my dad as a dentist, I always kind of knew what it was like. You know, I would hang out here at the office with him and things like that. But I always kind of told myself I wasn't going to do that. And once I finally started taking a really good look at it as a profession, I realized it had everything that I wanted. Every day you're working on building relationships with your patients. It really does have that artistic aspect to it, which I really enjoyed. And it's just awesome to be working with such a great team here as well. So I've been cooking from a pretty young age. I actually learned it from my mom mostly. She's an awesome cook. And so I was always kind of helping her out around, the holidays and things like that in the kitchen. And I kind of learned once I went to college that all of a sudden I wasn't eating all this great food that she was making all the time. So I had to start asking her for recipes and things like that. So that's kind of how I got started, and then it just kind of grew from there. And I found that you can really be creative with it, and it's almost like an art form. So that's kind of one of my main hobbies outside of work. There's a lot that kind of goes hand in hand with that because it is very detail oriented. So, you really got to pay attention to what you're adding here and there and seeing how everything comes together and works, as a plate or, and really learning that you can kind of veer off and make things your own. And in that aspect, you can really be creative and artistic with it as well. My dad started the practice in 1977, and since then, the goal has always been to treat each and every patient as we would want to be treated. And I think, it's really important in our profession to realize that, a lot of people are here with anxieties and they're nervous and they don't necessarily want to be here, but working on that and really kind of putting yourself in their shoes and, getting them to a place where they're really comfortable here. I think that's a challenge that we have every day, but at the same time, it's something that's very rewarding when we can do that.